Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Flutter project development on VS Code versus Android Studio. We will explore the distinct advantages each integrated development environment offers for building your applications. Understanding their core differences will help you decide which tool best aligns with your coding style and project requirements. We will also touch upon essential setup considerations for an efficient workflow. Visual Studio Code is a popular choice due to its speed and minimal resource usage. It starts up in mere seconds, making it ideal for quick edits and smaller projects. The official Flutter extension provides robust debugging, hot reload, and code completion, offering a smooth development experience. Its vast marketplace offers thousands of extensions to customize your environment. Android Studio, built on IntelliJ IDEA, is a comprehensive integrated development environment. It offers a rich set of features, including a powerful emulator, device manager, and advanced profiling tools. While it requires more system resources and a longer startup time, its deep integration with Android development makes it excellent for complex, large-scale mobile applications. When choosing between these two, consider your priorities. If you value speed, a lightweight interface, and extensibility, VS Code is an excellent option. For those needing a full suite of integrated tools, especially for complex mobile projects, Android Studio provides a more comprehensive experience. Both offer superb Flutter support, so your personal preference truly matters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.